Autonomous Equipment Company Limited, located in Yangjialing Industrial Park of Zhucheng City, Shandong Province, covers an area of 58 mu, with the building area of 8,000 square meters. Founded in 2001, it is a provincial enterprise with advanced technology and China's first professional manufacturer to produce stretch vacuum packaging machine. The company made China's first full automatic bag vacuum packaging machine in 2007, becoming the originator of China's bag vacuum packaging machine. The company has established Liaoning Beier Automation Equipment Company Limited and Sichuan Beier Automation Equipment Company Limited. Since its establishment, the company has always been adhering to the corporate philosophy of sci-tech innovation, perfect service, and integrity, passing imperceptibly the enterprise value and business philosophy to the employees, thus creating a staff team of high-degree unity and loyalty. The Beier people always adhere to the strategic guideline of seeking survival, with quality and development with innovation. Stretch film packaging machine and full automatic bag vacuum packaging machine have got a number of national patents. The company has a number of national coordinate measuring machine high precision centers including German Heimer, US Haug, and Switzerland. It has quite a few 6-meter stroke CNC milling machines, 5-meter stroke Longmun milling machines, CNC linear cutting machines, CNC lathes, and more than 40 other general purpose equipment. The company owns 7,000 square meters of machining workshop and 17,000 square meters of assembly workshop, with first-class processing means or assembly means. All the products are qualified after snap check by the state technical supervision departments. The products are widely applied in food enterprises including the domestic well-known brands such as Golden Monkey, Delisi, Huangshan Huang, and No Flavor. The company has the right to export and the products are exported to Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Vietnam, Russia, Kyrgyzstan, Yemen, Canada, and other countries, winning recognition of users. Full automatic bag vacuum packaging machine is capable of using mechanical hand to automatically take the vacuum packaging bag, open, print production date and batch number, feed and vacuum package, fully achieving unmanned operation and realizing automatic packaging. The range of packaging bag is 100 to 260 long and 60 to 200 wide with an efficiency of 2,000 to 2,600 bags per hour. By replacing different feeding structure, different materials can be automatically packaged. Full automatic stretch vacuum packaging machine is a product developed by our factory in 2001 and has got 3 national patents. This machine can automatically make bags, print production date and batch number, feed, vacuum package, realizing automatic packaging. The packaging bag is 60 to 560 long and 60 to 600 wide with an efficiency of 1,000 to 15,000 bags per hour. By replacing different feeding structure, different materials can be automatically packaged. For example, liquid and paste ration filling system can be used for automatic vacuum ration packaging of liquid and paste. And multi-point electronic scale can be used for vacuum ration packaging of powder and bulk materials. The robots developed by our factory can be used for automatic feeding packaging of a single product. After vacuuming, this machine can fill inert gas and carry out modified atmosphere packaging, MA packaging, to products. By replacing different materials, this machine can conduct soft film or hard film packaging. With Germany's Siemens PLC control, the man-machine interface of this packaging machine uses Siemens products, and the filming control adopts Siemens servo controller and Siemens servo motor. PLC is able to judge the abnormal situation, then input the abnormal signal and control the packaging machine to take corresponding measures to avoid the waste of material and packing bags. combining the individual stretch packaging equipment with the film stretch patented mechanism of our company, can do double-sided plastic printing film, packaging, and double-sided aluminum foil packaging, greatly expanding the stretch packaging machinery field. The full automatic box-type vacuum packaging machine, which was developed by our factory in 2004, can automatically drop box, print production date and batch number, feed, vacuum and filling packaging, really achieving automatic packaging. Full automatic horizontal vacuum packaging machine is a product developed by our factory in 2006. This machine can automatically conduct fast vacuum packaging, and the packaging range is 60 to 300 long and 60 to 200 wide, with the efficiency of 4,000 bags per hour. This packaging machine is controlled by Japan's Mitsubishi PLC, and the man-machine interface uses Mitsubishi products. The PLC is able to judge the abnormal situation, then output the abnormal signal, and control the packaging machine to take corresponding measures to avoid waste of materials and packaging bags. As China has paid more and more attention to food safety, packaging robots are used to reduce the chance of food processing personnel to contact the food and reduce the pollution of food, thus achieving automatic production. The Beier people have always walked in the forefront of the industry. Since 2011, when the research and development of packaging robots began, the mechanical parts have achieved localization, reaching the capacity of an annual output of 500 units. With artificial intelligence learning function, visual judgment function, automatic acquirement, and display function, this robot can be used together with the stretch vacuum packaging machine, box-type vacuum packaging machine, and bag vacuum packaging machine made by our factory. Automatic feeding and automatic packaging are achieved to put an end to the contact of people with food. At the same time, a lot of man labor has been saved. Automatic sorting, automatic packing, or automatic sorting and automatic loading of bactericidal disc can be realized according to user requirements, truly achieving the automation of packaging. Inherit excellence and create a better future.